Biamono kigimo mwancho muri television ya Ndizi TV ni magarobe ndegi ya tokomiri na gaigase television ya wanjite na mbeye moyumuno beke Gusii ya Ndizi TV kerane roberi kigima ko retera mangana magia senchira yubo kirano na maga yaje tumagoso somuru buri beke umbu munere butambiri tukuria Jumamosi na boigo lituko ria Jumatano lituko ria rero na mangi abiriga korekana kurwa chisi nyechonsi kirogongo rwa Gusii bono abasiki baito nigo bahendense meye nelia ndi kwene kiabuna bakoletera mangana magia asinchire ndonge kigima inyoranga utanyanyo horetiga igase television ya na mbeye mo yumuno beke Gusii ya Ndizi TV hasta yoko ya nyora bono gonte ko riba geri akwalika ni buya kigima no moyo murabu kigima elio ngotebinga na raia berga korekana inyoranga murai bwense muske William Ruto ni gabire alise county ya Nakuru semo ya Naivasha sabagendete kumerana na babunge kurualia sensemo ya Kenya kwanza wagendete kurobelia na kibao cyo bachora baria bawikoba abarai ase ebunge nene na boygo ebunge ye senate nubwo yanda manga berga korekana aseli tukoria hera inyora semelia ya azimio la umoja one Kenya na barabu omba umerana na kubachora barai baria baguchia kubarana barabu asebunge nene na boygo asebunge elia ye senate na yanda mange ali abiriga okorekana seri tukuria rero somurubiri ubweke umbu nigondenere Honorable George Magange oyo nigabulitie kirogo kyobo MCA kuro sensemelia abo basi chache imeye county ya Kisii nebo chikura nchizane tebuya kurende nagwa tomugano monene kigima gototebia kurumna chakirete kurumaega igo ikaboniga mangana mangi asiasa gendrete oyo noro mwelio yibu kuburi kirogo kyobo MCA gosinatete kurena na negati umwaka wichiru bwibere nemero ngibere na isano na ibere going yakinire guchiguru kigima nigo amaguta mentre chise mochinde nigakurwo ikachi shilingi chimye ibere nemero ngetato ayo na yanda mangi na ratojo kwana nere emborogoba yabono inyora nigo nagotebia kurwa George Magange kurwase SML basi chache nera tuchgo banere kaiga semesi asumuru buri bweke umbwe magaroba yabono bono ni gontete kureri bagiri gwakiranga mbyemono na okuburia omuseke nindo kiao ange kigima elio tuchakamangana magia senchira yobokiranu kigima singike kerebosyo nkurinande elio twemanye asenchira yobokiranu yakigima mwancho murigeria olio gonkonya koletera mangana magia senchira yumuno bulimanyirio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta inche nigonkuru kwa John Kebati mangana magia nigo tukuya chaka ekurwa ase county eje ya Kisii ase gotebekana buna ebiombe bitali bya serikali na bwa serikali nigo yaboligwe kubekemero bili abene eli gutanga abantu kwerusia obomoya obabire usumubarobo beri gukina imense ya Kenya aya nigagocha magiga ye county ya Kisii kobekali tukobene eliri guchakurigiria chinchira echo gutanga okwerusia obomoyo ase ababwatani obonsi kubwatrana nebyombe binde ekemokiabokeria ekyumusarabo mubaliri bakiramu nakobeke birengeria sobwamo na kwenekia buna umubaro yonkura ni gulense nyoro roboti oruo asenchira yobokirano
jana wengi hasa wamepatikana wakijiua. Hii ni wakati ambapo wengi hawajitokezi. Leo tumekuwa na mkutano ya viongozi mbalimbali, tumekuwa na groups mbalimbali, tumekuwa na CBOs mbalimbali. Tumekuwa na sana kuna kikundi kinachojiita Million Hugs ambao wanakuanga na mkutano kila Jumapili. Wamekuwa wakisaidia vijana wengi na wamekuwa wakiwaongelesha, na ningependa kuomba serikali kuu na serikali ya county haswa waweze kuunganisha makanselas wengi, masaikolojia wengi, waongelesha ili na wao wakuwe na docket yao ya kusaidia hawa watu kwa mjini.
And as Kenya Red Cross, we are very busy with our activities in schools and with youth. We have youth clubs in schools where we have sessions during the counseling sessions, club sessions where we discuss issues of suicide. And in these we also try to raise the red flags, because there are some red flags that are always shown when someone is in distress, and some of them include someone doing things that are not right, or writings that you can see someone's writing in red and saying, I wish I could be like this or I could be like that. So through our sessions we do sessions that be able to indicate that.
mambo ya kujitia kitanzi ama hali ya suicide ni ugonjwa wa mental health. Pia katika LVCT wako na program ambayo inaitwa 1190 ambayo ni helpline ambapo unaweza kutuma SMS ama unaweza ku WhatsApp ama unaweza kupiga simu wakati mtu yote ako na matatizo ya kusikia kama anaweza taka kujitia kitanzi ama ambapo unaweza kujua mtu ambaye ako na mawazo kama yale, unapiga pale simu na unapata usaidizi ya wana saikolojia na hata unaweza kuelekezwa kwenda hospitalini ambapo mtu anaweza kutibiwa kwa matatizo hayo ya kujitia utanzi.
Bibi muno kigima kire tugendete busio na mangana magia abanyakinyoro kurwase kenyoro ekemo ime ya Miruka constituency ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira igobali no muichano magiga y'umusawo ya muwe myaka 25 oyobete gagusirigwa obugima bwaye n'abantu batamanyiri abo bamutegerete chinkoma kirete gusiria obugima bwaye roboti urwo ronyora senchere y'ubuikirano.
Kapata habari ya kwamba kuna mtu ambaye amekatwa kwa barabara hii ya kutoka Miruka kwenda Kisii. Nilipokimbia hapo nikapata ukweli kuna kijana mdogo kadri ya miaka 28 hivi amekatwa na amekatwa ile ambayo ameaga. Kujaribu kuuliza moja mbili ni nini kilitendeka, nikaambiwa ya kwamba kulikuwa na watu wawili walikuwa juu ya pikipiki. Wakakuja wakasimama karibu na yeye mahali alikuwa anatembea kwa barabara, mmoja akashuka. Aliposhuka wakabadilishana maneno moja mbili, na baada ya kubadilishana maneno hapo ndiye alijomoa panga na kumkata kwa shingo.
Huyo mtoto tulikuwa tunamchua kama mtu mzuri au kuwa na maneno yoyote, na tunahitaji serikali ingilie ndani tusaidie kama hapa Miruka.
Gotikana nayo magegaji kiombegi chimbe bino bachori kya IBC ekurwa marieta yaba MC yaba chore ni gobono kwemurungani korene kwa bere go kwenekiwa kubwatakana kiriyo tebekana buna marieta ndarwetwe na marieta yabantu batamanyikaniti ase ebyamebyo Claire Ondari no yomo gwabaria baichanire igoro yengane iyo.
Mbona Chebukati ofisi yako iweke mtu ODM yura atumujui? Chebukati tunataka haki na tunataka leo. Tunataka tupatie haki leo. Sisi hatutaki maneno. Wacha kutunyanyasa IBC. Wacha kutunyanyasa. Wacha kunyanyasa ODM party. Tafadhali. Tafadhali Chebukati tafadhali. Tafadhali tumekataa.
Hakuna youth yoyote mwenye amewekwa kwa hizo party. Kama ODM yetu tulikuwa wamebadilisha. Hakuna youth mwenye amekuja. Hata tunashindwa. Hivyo youth hakuna Kisii.
Tuna mali penye tunaenda kuuliza. I'm just asking our official from the county government na hata wale wamechaguliwa. Nyinyi ndio mleka majina yetu. Na tena mbona mnatoa majina yetu sasa mmeona mmefaulu, mmechukua watu wengine sasa mmewaweka. That is not good.
Igotikana na yumura iwense muske William Ruto nigo aburi hapa Kenya gutwara inaru yukogacha chibesa eliyokwegendereria asogma bwabo ayo nigaya kwana chinga kyatwara igikaro nabagwatani bobo mu Kenya kwanza sense mo Naivasha imeye county ya Nakuru.
We have been taken through the numbers here, what savings can do for our country. In fact, savings is biblical. I mean, honestly, yeah. The Bible says, a good man leaves an inheritance for his children. So, for those of you who are believers, you will also be fulfilling what the Bible says. And you could possibly go to heaven. for saving, you know. So we all agree that we have to raise our savings as a percentage of GDP. It is not possible for NHIF to continue receiving 200 shillings from people who earn as much as 1,500,000, 200,000. You have heard that it's even becoming expensive administering the 200,000. We've just been told here, if you continue with the 200 shillings, it's better to stop. So, good people, we have to do the necessary reforms, change the law, amend the regulations so that we can save appropriately.
Chinga kicho muraibwense nigo aboririe bari bakwamereria serikali gutegwe yakige kuba asogote babuna nigo babwatu mubaro munene na nigo ayo akagire gucia kororekana chinga kibago chiko bachora abarai be chebunge echonsi bire bunge lienene no boigo asibunge ije senate yinigo yakwa na litukoli ala boigo alise county ya Nakuru akiraringe kubekengane yo uchi asebali abare asobomo wazimio la umoja One Kenya.
This afternoon we have also chosen our leadership in both houses, the leaders of majority in Senate and the leaders of the majority coalition party in the National Assembly. Our friends on the other side will choose the leaders of the minority because they are the minority. They just have to live with the reality that they are the minority. Our leader of majority in National Assembly is going to be the Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah, the Member of Parliament for Kikuyu. The Deputy Leader of majority in the National Assembly is Owen Baya, the Member of Parliament for Kilifi South. Kilifi North, sorry. Pigeni makofi. The Chief Whip of the National Assembly is going to be the Member of Parliament for South Mugirango, Silvanas Osoro. Congratulations, Mheshimiwa. The Deputy Whip of the National Assembly is going to be Naomi Wako, the Women Member of Parliament for Marsabit County. The leadership of Senate, Leader of Majority, Aaron Cheriot, Senator for Kericho County. Congratulations, Mheshimiwa. Deputy Majority Leader, Tabitha Karanja, the Senator of Nakuru County.
Ababwatani bobomo bwazimio la umoja One Kenya na borobo ni gobo merena ime muchu Nairobi asensemo ya Upper Hill asibara wanu muraiweke makia ODM musiki Raila Odinga na borobo ni go bakwanera amangi gatiabo muraiweke makia weipo musiki Kalonzo Musyoka uyo aherera abuna serikali na wewe kuwatrana n'ibigambiro nigo byali chinchira byuko bagura iliyoti banyara kwamereria serikali asenchira takire chinga kichi boigo nigo batebire buna nigo kyombekerie chimbe no bochori kiabalina ebirogo byabarai abachore eliyo bachigoso asechibunge ekirije chikaunti na boiko asibunge nene
funds to ostensibly move forward the agenda of an independent institution. This is a mockery of the basic intelligence of consumers of justice and must be seen for what it is. Financial and operational autonomy of the judiciary cannot and will not be guaranteed by tokenism. It can only be assured by creating an environment that guarantees clear separation of powers between the three arms of government. And whereas funds are necessary for effective dispensation of justice, it is not the business of a president acting in isolation to allocate funds to the judiciary. Appropriation of funds to public institutions is a constitutional mandate of Parliament. The president must tame his appetite for throwing money at institutions to buy friendship. He must keep up the judiciary and let the legislature do its work. As part of the Ruto administration's vindictive agenda, plans have already been initiated to hound out of office the 4 IEBC commissioners, namely Juliana Cherera, Francis Wanderi, Irene Masit, and Justice Nyang'aya, plus the Deputy CEO, very hard-working Madam Ruth Kulundu, for refusing to toe the line. We totally condemn this brazen act of witch hunt and demand that the President and his agents leave those officers alone. On our part, we commit to do whatever it takes to protect those officers from any attempts to... We have noted several cases of disproportionate allocation of nomination slots for MCAs to political parties across the country. For instance, in Nyamira County, Fort Kenya won 1 MCA.
Your Excellencies, we call upon your support to the Council of Governors as we prioritize to address the following challenges which persisted in the previous administration. The first one is the perennial delay of disbursement of funds by the National Treasury, which has hampered smooth and efficient uninterrupted service delivery. We hope, Bwana Speaker, you will relay the message of that which the Council of Governors is expecting to be addressed by the national government.
Oyo kabiri omugabana bwe county area ya Embu Martin Wambora nere boigo nigo atebrenga mpyamona sikubwatekana no bocholi obwo no boigo kwanikia buna obocholi obwo usobora yobya na fero mbochikuligereria kigima okwenderera buya busyo uwechi serikali chiji county nere igalingo yakwana yo imiji county ya Mombasa asaba gabana bonsi bale eliwo kwanira mangana lyalingete obocholi obwo na boigo amangana yichi county chonsi emerongene na isano na ibere.
The whole nation will prosper. That's the easiest route to achieving the famous, the magical 10%. Secondly, I want to congratulate the 47 county governors for your well-deserved victory in the just concluded elections. I'm very, very impressed that you continue the tradition of governors to get the leadership without having a lot of acrimony, but by consensus. I'm happy for carrying that tradition.
Omonogeli bwe bungene ne musike Moses Wetangula oyo boigoikira na sumu sangirikano oyo nera niga tebire buna chi county nigo chigenderete gwetera makongo ashe ogotwara chisira chinyinge kurende niga ene kiribuna chibesa nchiko bwatu kwa bwango kigima eliyo chichiko ikasi county na kwenekia buna emerobrio ya chakire asentunde yende serikali chia gatatu kurwa somorobrio bwobo bagi bweni bogo chesi county ochaki wa kigima.
You are all aware that both the counties and the national government are struggling with the payment of pending bills to merchants and contractors, while at the same time balancing the development needs of our counties and the country. While it is critical to ascertain the validity of the pending bills before payment, it is of paramount importance that these bills are paid. Many ordinary Kenyans who provide goods and services to the national and county governments have remained unpaid for a long period, and some have even lost their properties that they use as collaterals to guarantee bank overdrafts. Our economy is driven by the efforts of such Kenyans through small and medium enterprises, SMEs, yet the pending bills have destroyed their businesses, thereby contracting the Kenyan economy and reducing our potential to create job opportunities, especially for the youth and women. I am therefore directing that both the national and county governments comply with the financial regulations which stipulate that pending bills are cleared as a first charge in the beginning of a financial year.
Uya kerato gendrete busyo abaunchulia aona balia bakole mirimo ya magoko gusiyo kwenyorera gwetera magokabo nigo bagendrete gwetera emechande menene kero binto ebinge bigendrete gukina amagoli. Fred Mugaka uyo mubundi bokorosi binto gutumia chibao nigo hona kwanire no musekito job mangi elio kuligereria na kuboli serikali ekobaligereria na brobu bali bali sekta ya jua kali ekonyora engeli yabo sinkira erengia nyoro roboti oruo asinkira yubikerano.
Omokia bw'omuntu noro oragere abega kugenderera ase obugima ntwaba tukutalira omubundi oyo moyo korosia ebintu birosiri nekibao abega gusangana intwe emeremo agokora naende ngaki emeremeye ekobaga komokonya ase obugima
ndoje ngambiyere konya gonkonyera samangana yo koragera abana ngo kibale skuru.
Fred Mukaya kurua sense moya Bonyamatuta bunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira no mubundi okolire emeremo yokorosi ebintu kurua se kibao ase myaka gwetani emerongo ebere
gasiye nanyi cyagete mwaka 2000 ngo nanyi koroba 20 years
nemeremo ateba ya mokonyire kwegendereria ase enka yaye.
Igasi bono bune yankonyire sana nimbwata abana bane buna boni go mwana na ende school form 1 igasi yankonyire yairiro mwana bake school ochire form 1 ndoche ngo somali tu buna bono nimbwata abandi baje kwenda umwakonde babere bakwenda form 1 igasi ningiere ngokonyere
nateba emeremo y'obubundi bw'ekibao neganetie obumanyi bwaime igoro yemete asateba nigo bagotumeka emeringa mumono ase ekaunti ya Nyamira.
Anyway, buna wana seitaiga emetego tumeka nemeringamu arasari omonte egento yemekabiri eyitego komokonya egento igekanda kiabongo tubona seitaiga mone meringamu naro totumeka itwana tokoroke adiboti ya seita nere kokorobia motokoro kunge giraferi seitaiga toigo korobuya nande abantu ekere bamanyire ne giraferi oroserete bakogorigento
nasemia abakori emeremo gotwara obwegenwa erinde kwegenwa n'abateja
enjero koira customers abora nyore kibesa chikokonye nabo nabange nabo bakoigore gasiye orora enjero konya korobuka na chikonya korora lakini enjero go treat customers itabe tingi atakora gasiye
teba buna okinire ase kerengo kyobubundi ase aegeirie abange nakolika abakori emeremo asagokorera emeremo
jana parta sa korkunga bobembe polytechnic na karta ko so nanje bono nimbwata banafunzi yange banaiga ngendra ta karo kiegasi abande baramanyire bachire baigwere chigasi cyabo igo ndoje ngegasi MBA
oborendi obuya bw'ebintu birosiri n'ekibao nabwo obubisi bw'ebintu ebyokomenya ase amatuko amange
igende getaete igende kekere wakeire nyumba getaete onyeko getwist asiko agetenani yo getenani agiakira injira nero sange omonto gosinekera akwani egendo akogekurura kera gwakururira okenyegeri chichoindi ejibone echigo chichasare agigeri okora abantu bagoja bateba ng'ebundu gete yandosarete egento ekebe bwebanga nero okieta agakengusa akagenyegeri omobere chichoindi chikaba gwiki
amakongu n'amange agwetera asemeremeye bagokora buna ogotaigwanana n'abateja nogokonga kwerigo riri ebintu bagotumeka ase obobundi
amakongu togwetera buna bono ase amang'ana y'ekibao nkonyaetera tore abokoriga ekibao buna bono nachikoriga ekibao ase atambe ekibao bono nchiyo bono amakongu togwetera naye ekibao na customer nere rache gopimia egento obugene egento acha gopima kumbo chire oretira amang'ana amange ase egasi so kwebuka ase amang'ana amange onya okoete chibesi chiaye kware mosumbuana nere okomoa chibesi chiaye oenda mwakorana
obosemia anyorete korwa ase omoibori oye nabo bwamoete omong'uso bwogosomera na gochaka obobundi bw'ekibao
ebiasara omanyete nabo okorire gwasanga bono alternative tei mwasea ne family nga ngimbwa ntagokora buna bono inje ntatondebeti ng'a egento orakore kora egasi eye echegokonya obogima bwao akang'ire ekosi ngaendera ekosi ngakora nanje mpaka buna naikeire ekosi yane nanje mpaka naikeire nkofundisa nda abanafunzi
nasemia abakenya gotatwara obwanchereria bonde bonsi korende gokora emeremo erabakonya kwegendereria na kubeka omogati okera rituko ase emesa
so encouragement aba egento taete abana abake bagokina bebundise egasi yokoboko inyare kubakonya kosi egasi yokoboko boniga nere eragokonya goetani abo gasi tiyo eragokonya amasomo natakire lakini rende egasi yokoboko ya muhimu mono
nasaba eserikali gokeya omosigo bw'obogima erinde banyore chingaki chinyororo ase obokori emeremo bwabo
abarayi bense tiga tokonya uchumi yabeire iguru most buna bona mabuta achire igoro that's why no ne baita yo omonda uji wake sabu kogorale amabuta akanie bundi bona omonda orangata goisi na atiga that's why bona to tabwate no ne bayo kale gasi igobona barai baito tiga batorire samangana y'uchumi ntubona abantu aba bakasurasi ntutokomia bona batorigeria mangana yebango batoirane linse ebango nere kare ko bengo mbona
bono ekikere kiengencho tiakero yomo abega gwetuma elinde goikerani okogani kwaye ase obogima korua sensemo ya Bunyamatuta West Mogirango ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi
Biamono kigima omwenchu murigiriye bo television ya Ndizi TV oyo ni gakuru kwa Job Maangi ekurose county ya Nyamira koretoro roboti orbu kubatikana mnobogima bwa kongires ko kali na boigo kurigiriya emiremeliye gokorwa ya magoko chinga kiche magutamentire na boigo ekiruma itambo gutakomenta kirigento nigoge ukina none kibaye cyo gutumika korosi birogo n'ibitanda n'igiro cyo kigukina kigera ngo bugori gukire kuri asememo kimashini kiro kigubutura n'ibintu binde binge kugira bino bogima bwa kongire kubwatekana na hiyo abiriga kwekana bwango iga asa magutakirire gucigoro kegima nabugo none estima yo Kenya na yakinire kegima oyo Job Maangi kuri county area ya Nyamira bono chinsando cha bunigire kemerongo ibire na isano na ibire igoro y'ichinsa isatoche mugoroba ya bono wikiragabwo nontaite nkorera mangana mayese ngira yuwe kirano kurende ikiniki ngese gitangani kingese giya kabire ngaso turasomura buri ubweke umbo emaragoba ya bono brena gotebyo mugani yoneni gakuru kwa Honorable George Maganke oyo najitege yentunde entangani liri konyoroba choli botraba tukakwana asomura buri ubwe ensakia bagakwana na Brighton na boigo na Sara amangana mangi kubwatikana neganga ya yokuburia ekirogo kyo ba MCA ensemelia ose ward lia bo basi chache kurende chukura njisaneti momo edijisanet boniga na ache gukwana gaiga mange kubwatikana ningi kiabete otugire amangana siasa gose na legeti ndemero bilikia gukobeka kogenda busyo unyore na wiki ye ebunge ye county ya Kisii inko soere sebi karobihaye elio gwakachukura chokobachora osebara bugotia ngo litangani na komachora monogari bwebunge ye county ya yonsi to kwanere mugabana bwe county ya Kisii umuskesi mbarati nigale sekerundo kigoro kuiranie wage bilinse ye gotebekana ire 58% kerengo kemeronge 5 na isano isato igoro yemia eyo etalie sabu ingi ya kigima ebonetera nense goika emeronge 3 na isano go 35% egara kibesa gitoke kigo korerwa magendero aini gati yari to kwane magaraba ya bono ande yake ghost workers bali county aina hatura kwanire aina anda mange bono tobasa kugenda ndi kera ni haliganire kigima asemese yegaiga ni gonta getengero bili bintu bibere bitatu gaiga elinde to chako murobili yo magani one Honorable George Maganke no hali ase studio enamba nere goro gabu SMS egento gokora like SMS ya omno butambe otomego chaka igomoboli borio na boigo inde to sangeyemo aseyemo asigedeseni kyo nambeyemo ekimuno bwike Gusii Ndizi TV uri onkonya okoletera mangana ya mayase nkira yomuno bwebyorokera lyo nigakuru kwa Joshua Auta incheni gonkuru kwa John Kibati.